Guys, we're back again. We're back again with another video, guys. As of course, this is not with bag in the back. You know what kind of video this is. Another shopping vlog. I feel like we've been doing so much shopping, guys. I feel like we do grocery shopping 3 or 4 times a month now. What do you think? Who's eating more? No, it's not me.
Like we.
Malia, what's up? It's not me.
Groceries, like fruits and stuff we pick up on a regular.
Well, that's true, but this time it's like grocery shopping.
No, it's a grocery.
But we've been doing so much grocery shopping though.
When was the last time we did grocery shopping?
I don't remember, but
exactly.
Not too long ago though.
But it's 2 weeks ago?
This is not so I've tried to say that she's not the one who's eating more.
I know,
but Nat is eating around the clock.
I'm not eating around the clock.
Right.
Where do you get that
tick,
from?
tick, 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 tick. She and her daughters, especially this one. Malia, mind not hang yourself around there.
She's ready to come out.
You ready to come out? But you're stuck in the chair until they take you out though. Yeah. It's all come out. Anyways, guys, we are going to Superstore. That's where we're at. We're gonna go in. We're gonna get some shopping done. Taking you guys with me. All right. See you guys. What's up? Always the first stop, guys. Always the first stop. $11.49. But look at all that is. So this right here says almost $50. Oh. Hold on, there's not enough time over here, so. Yeah? Yeah, I'm fine time. Wait, that's about time? Like what's a lime too, you know? Yeah, especially for your throat. Lime or lemon? Lemon? Them lemon are spoiled, man. have to take up my one. I want to have for $7 fee pack. There's have for $6.50, but they must spoil. Yeah. Hmm? What, strawberry? Huh? Yeah, Mali, I love them. Well, let's do it. Huh?
Strawberry.
Mango?
Wow. What's that, mommy?
What else is passion fruit?
Next time I can shit.
It's a different passion fruit. It smell like it though.
Passion fruit.
It smell like it. Oh, that smell.
Passion fruit. You wanna touch it? Malia's face. Passion fruit.
It's passion fruit.
You can't bite it now. May I have it, please? This is passion fruit. This is mango.
That's mango. If you're in Jamaica, these will be
Mango.
falling off trees.
Yeah, mango.
Mali, I put that, but that mango is shape weird.
Where is it?
Well,
What you get to? Lettuce.
Well, I take up one skin and go on, lettuce.
You know why you're laughing? Yes, they look like plastic.
$3 plus tonight. I prefer this one.
No, I'm prefer the 199. Even though it might be a plastic, but prefer that. What next?
Plantain juice. I'm blending, I make porridge.
Let me put something like mango and some other stuff. Banana, I love these. These are long.
These are what?
Long.
Oh. Oh, Jack.
I need apples.
Hold on, let me put that bag here underneath the bottom of my cart so I don't take up more space. Yeah, nah, catch me today if you buy no bag. Make sure it come with your own bag. Oh. Okay.
We get to them planted, though.
Up to you. Plantain. Yeah, just take up like 3 because they're overripe. Here you go, Malia. There you go. You're welcome. Thanks. Malia, I want a hairdo, you and your sister. Tomorrow? You know, if we couldn't get prune, that would have been good. Yeah. Like I said, to drink some of the beetroot juice. We can get prune. Which one is sweet pepper that I want to take up? There you go. But I like them apple lemon. What kind of apple?
Gala. Can I gala apple there? No.
You mean foreign apple?
Apple. 8, 9.
Up. Yeah, here it is, here it is.
Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome.
Apple? Apple? You want apple? Okay. When I reach home, I get apple, okay?
Apple.
Malika, you want apple too? I know what you want, Malika. Okay. Cucumber? Why definitely for the cucumber? Cucumber. Cucumber. Card full already, you know. Yeah, fruits. So. Or veggie.
Yeah, cucumber.
Huh? Bok choy. Need a bag.
You don't need any garlic today. You don't need any garlic today. Okay, mommy?
Malia, put, wow, man. Put back the garlic, mama. We have a lot of garlic. No, leave the garlic. Yeah, we have onion. No, I'm not on the carrot. Carrots are must spoil. We don't use them fast enough. Can't buy no carrot on them. You're being squashed. Potato are spoiled, man. Malia, stop drop the thing then, mama. Alright, let's spell Lacey. Yeah, laundry soap. Did we have a new map for, or like change the current one? Change it already? Yeah, that sounds like a dollar store problem. Alright, we can give it one free promotion.
No name?
No name. Whoever invented this company, thank you. Thank you. Right now, a no name rep for it. We rep for no name.
Price $12.99.
$12.99.
When you're buying it.
Limit of 4. Pick up a ginger, please, babes. Sit down, Malia. Last night I said feel for juice. What kind of juice do you feel for? But tell them from what they say, your mind dirty. You know? Your mind is very dirty.
My mind is not dirty.
I'm asking you what kind of juice does it feel for, and then you tell me curse words.
Did you hear me say curse words?
Okay, cranberry. Marga, come say something. See, everybody have this nice quiet baby. But look at you being rude. You sure you don't need anything on there?
We need.
I don't know, chips, something.
Don't need nothing.
We need coconut milk. Did we send snacks with her to Auntie Jane? Yeah. We did? My clearance. And, clearance is not operating very well from what they Alright guys, oxtail, beef oxtail. Look up on 2 sachets, you know. Me and not alone, I don't want more than that. Well, sorry, me, you and Malia. They can't Malia eat like a grown person. We can't find the balance. Hello, man. How can you not like sliced fish bits? But you still like the, what you call it there? But you still like the tilapia fish that where tastes like crab. That's right. Thank you.
She wants to help. She wants to help. You want to give daddy? You want to give daddy? See there, mommy, see there. Here you go. No fighting. Put on your legs. Come over. You see. Say hi. No. Sit. No. Sit, mommy. Sit. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Malia. O. E. It's M. O. N. A. M. E. Yeah. I think he's looking for food, Malia.
If you know what I get that, you want to buy the drumstick.
Yeah, the birdie.
Yes guys, so we set out with the intention to spend $350, but we ended up spending less. Yes, so everything that you guys saw that we bought, it actually come less than $350, right? So let me just show you guys what it came to. So this is the receipt, guys. As you can see, it's a very long receipt, and here is the price. $329.65, which is not bad, which is actually not bad. We were expecting to spend a little bit more, but give thanks when we spend less than what we budgeted. It's always a good thing. So yeah, Don't forget to smash a like, right, guys, on the video if it is that you guys enjoy these shopping vlogs, right? It really helps us out a lot. Now, sometimes you go to the grocery store and buy the very same things. I see sometimes it costs you a little bit more and you come back and you see it costs a little bit less. I'm not sure if inflation is coming down or whatever, but me not complain. It come cheaper than what we wanted, so give thanks for that. So we're about to go home right now. Everybody's tired.
Yeah.
Everybody's tired and drained. Right? So just gonna go home and get our Sunday dinner started. Thank you guys for watching this video all the way to the end, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and join the Andersons family. See you guys in the next video, guys. Peace out.